Joshua Bafethu, what's up? It's your boy. It's your boy It's the president here. Djokovic, Ivan, Droko. Yamazi. Wachana lo Rambo. Wadamakele mpaka. Yambona upambana lwa.
Noma Rashid.
I will scaring you and your family alive. If you don't pay my money, you have a very nice family. Azokubuza amagazi okulapho khedo.
Ayezazakala vele
ukuphathela ama picture umntana akhe edlala epark. Awufuna ukuthi bale ngqondo ezimbo bebala ba.
Awanamuhla.
You have a very nice family.
Yes avebe uqeda yokile phela esithanda uvalo umuntu esithonjani nice family khona apha ngabe kule mali yakhe.
Lahleka.
Uvalo liyakwenza
imaza
lo uvalo.
So like bengisasho like sorry negalami. It's not right ukuthi vele enhle ngisuse ngaka announce ukuthi namhla main event imbali. Ngiyabona event ku wrestling yathi John Cena lo Kane. Namuhla I have none other than the phenomenal dancer. Yayizwa
Sure.
Kuba ngumjita he's been pushing with the IASA. He's done a lot of choreography.
Yes,
You understand what I'm saying? Namhlanje Kelvin, so angazi remember la ngazi introduce ungayokhona ngichile.
Hayi so aqedile abaningi le thinki bangazi vele abantu show bangani show badala lapha likhona mina vele babiza ku Kelvin but esipani ngale basebenzisa umaweri otherwise mina ngigreen yonke into Alice blind sharp lapha likhona.
Freshman nigga like namuhla I feel like it's one of the days ukuthi yaqalisa ukunanzelela ukuthi Jay ezinye izinto ngama privilege life ngiyakwazi bra you know uya complain ngedola khala ukuthi hayazani la sente esikwamina omunye umuntu akala nyawo zokuya lapho kumela
yebona into engikhona
Jay
Barone bukhala ngedola.
Yabukhala ngedola. I'm not saying ukuthi ukungabe le dollar lakho ku right but the point is there's so much okuncane esilakho esingakunanzeleliyo nigalama.
Yabona abantu abalakho kumbela. Kuvuka uphila
Jay ilife bra. Ilife just life on its own. Like naste school I remember I waqotshwana esikolo bra.
But when you marriage ukuthi vele ama fees akhe ayitshone ibhadaliwe on time.
You understand my guy. But still wena awukwanisa ukuthi uattend wonke nje kama lesi. Laba abafana nje kwayikwanisa ukuthi afunde half of season. Once season ithi
ekwatula nje teachers bemhlanganise.
Ngapha bright njani ngesigela. Yakunanzelele nje abantu ababe bright ngesigela nje financially sometimes azingakhiphi the way.
Baningi abantu abagcina bengabhalanga but at the same time khona abantu bona laba babe blind ngesigcila belento yonke ungananzela the rest guys abaningi bangikhona vele amaningi amaphara nje
eish
karivele kahle mina ngiyabidingisisa kahle karivele because ayikuyini because wena edeni abuthola ukuthi uphuma edeni inswempu isigcelo inswempu bari
kulezweni bayathumeza
uyabona into yakhona bari wena mawusiqeda isigcelo uthola ukuthi umuntu onkhona senobhizi ngani into zokutshontsha yabona sengizinto ezinjani eziseceleni yabona
nje mafia lo wentumbana athi sifile istory sakhe
umember lo
ule 40 years uchawa umdala lo masala
uthi wachuna umasalaza nathi poison
umasalaza boris
lo county bese saba ukuchawa uboys to the level ojona nje umfana lo ukuthi lenhlanhla uhlala entumbana ngabe uhlala ngamfana lwana is this man working
sometimes bathi mob justice ekho iswitch mob justice ishaya mob justice because angeke nochawa umuntu omdala ecabanga umuntu wakuzala nje
hayi bra alright
ukuhambela ku labor thola ukuthi incivelo wamzala operation cabanga umasale bedlile kuma situation anjani
isikhathi sebenzi le umuntu ukuthi uzube ngaka 40
years ngapho thola ukuthi 40 years uhlala la endlini awuxotsha sometimes nowadays esiphila ku situation yokuthi ungaveli ungabona
ufika
25 vele from 26 baqala ubona ukuthi ubona ngathi awusebenzi ngathi vele into kunamasasla ukuthi la fana usubondana lapha njani lamsobeli lami ishingile lami njani izenze ngizibonela but cabanga umdala mayithe abonto situation inzima
hlala boy
yabona isuzibelula konke umuntu kulaba abantu bakwanisa ukuphuma bezenzele but na kwangavumi badala bathahlala
Jay.
kuza but nxa sifaka umuntu omdala isandla bese umuntu okuzalayo
yabona I think ikongena khona isendla kanti amadoda wala bayelambisa
Yeah.
lo munye umntwana nje uyabelala hours and olenye respect ukuthi la uyasala uzibuza ukuthi wayengayezulwini
Ndoda.
Jay
Likhona ama-fakers lethu ndoda bamvulela ikhawashi ngitshela mawera yonke into ecomplete usampopo yamanzi leyanabo uva wathi ngithi wabhema yonke yani khathesi wena bathi ufisa ukuthi ngini la engabe kuthiwa
bakwenzele something enjalo bakuqalela
Wena cabanga ngoresi wena nxa bengonika wena njengawe mundi bekunika imachine yonke la nekhawashi la
into ongayenza bra into ongayenza so nje okungama items kwangikhona my dog I feel like abantu abayibo abadeserve i-opportunity abayitholi angikwazi ukuthi into kwangikhona kunjani even labathakatha bafi
endizona
uzothiwa mfana milo uyaloya udale loyo emagqidlalwana phila zagoba abe nguJay abe ngusiye hambe khale phansi fana lokho breathe
at the same time abantu abangikhona bafa kari why is it that abantu bona la abathakathayo la kuthiwa baloya njani umuntu wangikhona badubeka nje
yeah
yathola indlahlala kiyo so uthola umpeda alala kiyo iteke vele lendlela iyo yona
ikati yabila
lezi ukuthi loye
literal
ungasoziloye into eza kunjani eza kubenefitisa
mina I think konkhana umoya omubi yabona umoya omubi ungadiluteka member yami hlangane umoya omubi lengqondo ezimbi lama bad intentions and even imali ngazibe khona usozenzela ukuthi ngoba wena ukhanyele ngayo
yabo khale kwenye direction but njani vele
umuntu yakuleyo yandoda lamaphenti ayi7
kungela lutho chi
umphothi yestructure
ngiyazidubekela nje
ayekho nje
ngiyazidubekela nje but no busy ngami
amangwanda yabona ngokunye kungama items
la kodwa sometimes abadala akarese abona sengirealize ukuthi abadala kudala besincawe nabe engahambe etown esiyathenga igrocery wayebifa eplastic inyama ukuthi bekula umuntu obonayo ukuthi ube lamafutha ube lempuphu ube lerice ube lani lapha nabenza into okhiphe waje ukuthi kuke wafika situation ukuthi irice phela wena ngini inqalise irice mangalisa isikhaza ngoko
yafela revive ukuthi bakubona ubamba iplastic ile
yabo ukuthi wena njani ungena ile rice uthi kg rice asila endlini barono layo njani
awazi amakhalana ukuthi twabele evini emini yakubuya singcono sibuye ngobusuku
ndoda ulelinye ekhaya ngihamba nje isinkwa abakhali ngene
abantu ababhizi abanye abantu nje
sinkwa Jay
para ayabona para umjitalo yabona evarinani umjitalo ngokuya vele kahle na vele uyenza imeda
akahle kahle
I understand ukuthi uchawa masala bari masala uzofethe izinto njani nathi poison
nje mina member leyo
meda phela yaje
umela ejele engafika ejele bengidlwengule
ngabe kuyavuma ehambe ejele bemkhiphe inje bamzile ijele elikhulu
leli ha
mama bemangaka amajele
ngena underground okumnyama khona lapha umuntu yaphuma uyi3
abantwana abafisa ngabo mama wakhona ukuthi sometimes the situation manje ngathi ba hard ekwansi kumama ngithi masali lapha ku situation kumi so masali ekwansi umntana nami asenze so 1 2
but wena ulayo masali wenza punching bag abantu nje yikho kuthiwa amajoda wena bayelambisa
utho mlo bedakiwe
ngivale ebedakwa vele kuthiwa
yadakwa vele
ubuda sibenjengo nje
manje sesirealize manje aresi ukuthi injengo siyenzana
ama rough riders ayabhowa nje hayi
injengo isiyenza into eziningi akuzibulela abaningi bale sande abana sikhoza ama situation kanjani ezindlini
nje yakwazi injengo yaqala a race of people abafanana abantu abanathi njengoba bafanani ngani bazalwa ngumama
oyi-1
lo baba oyi-1
lenkulumo zabo zonke into
i mindset i1 hayi kabi but kabi you understand
vele kubi
ayikabi
vele varini because kare sikhele situation esesiyiyo kare
every month isingcwabe umalume egazi
ndoda bangaki sibabekileyo asikhulume let's just say iSpain isanda ukungena because injengo yangena fika overtake konke kwakukhona
vele wena ukuqala ngabona nosithi wena uyabona ukuthi yonke into echiphile yabulala
aliva
yeah
understand inkiwani enhle ibolile so ningavidela ukuthi i-straight ise $2 $2 impondo yethenga umqala ebona situation yakho yethenga umqala ngempondo
phela yona
so cabanga nxa le $10 lemqala emngaka
nje phela bona yakwazi ngazi umphatheli
bapha kudilute yabona
yakwazi ngazi umphatheli yenisa umuntu wakayinathi akasayifika
yambe ithengisa
yeje
because lokhana sokuchaya iceleni vele
ndoda
sokuchaya iceleni lokhana vele yambe ithengisa satanism
cult thothi balomfundisi wabo bahlangana la ebusuku bediscuss into zabo ukuthi bazarobha ijeka abantu abana je ngama peace job
but to my surprise ukuthi at the same time
abantu ngama peace job bathola
kana njani abantu bendoda uthola umuntu ekhona wathini uthola nomuntu wathini uthola wathi inje imali yenjengo asisweli
hayi bona bayisweli nje
because injengo njani affordable $1 imali nje kazinjani asisweli
ngama job hayi
but abantu bona abayenza into zena lezi nje we are realizing ukuthi ubulala abantu ukwenza nabantu ukuhamba njani why not stop it for kenza into njengana lezi things a better product angazi I'm not insulting but I'm just raising a point ukuthi how about we find a better product engasozinjani isilimanzeliwini ama relatives ethu because ama relatives ethu athole nzima ezindlini
Jay I think it better product
ikhona kunzima
the better product I think it's there but abayifu it's like umuntu lo it's like imtoriro pandemic
yabona abayifuni it's not like abayifuni lani into khona iproduct lana evele already cool but abayi afford so what I'm trying to say ukuthi how about we make a product esibona ukuthi ayibulali abantu kumbe cheapisa utshwala thina amna nathi but icheapisa utshwala for ukuthi abanjani ababikwanisa uaffordela ukuthenga okungabulaliyo
imagine ngathiwa i-black label R10
yabo
eje
sekwanisa ukuchinje
yabona eSouth Africa into ebalimaza kakhulu ama drugs bangasoma drugs eSouth Africa la njengo be tshela ba ukuchiphila ingudu lena ngo20 25 yabona
akulamntu oza futhi sengathi njengo
yabona so singaba lento njengana le lathi siya realize ukuthi asoze sibe lama more funerals but siyasiqedela abanye business
so ikho ngitsho ukuthi it's about profit because obvious umuntu yabe kwanisa ukuthi a distribute injengo ezimi yonke yabe le power engakanani yabe le mafia
mina ngiyakwanisa ukwenza ku more than that ukubhetha ukudlela lokho
yabo but yokyana into lokyana ayitselling nje yazi ukuthi njengo mina lami ngangayithengisa but hayi jekile ama after effects amanye I think apply
kuyinokule damage eningi njengo lo mtori rekasi kupho ulimaza
imundi into eyi-1 nje into eyi-1 because ungakhangela kathi uzothola umunye umuntu ulalisiwe engutsheni ngenjengo ngabhemba nje
njengo
nganathi ma-drugs ngabhemba umtoriro wazothola njani sebhonka uhanjwe engutsheni same applies to umuntu onjani umtoriro uyahamba nga noma simona senza
the loss of appetite futhi zonke indawo
kathi bara ama-stance la bafuna into ezini kana kuhamba njani ama-stance la wana babatshala wana
yabona
kuhambe njani kompana kanti kuyenzakalanga
lapha kuthiwa
because abantu abaningi bonke bayenza into eyi-1 phela ama-stance la
labeli kumayina khona pha labeli kumayini levo labeli kumayina yabona ukuthi su-actor ungazinanzeleli yabona why umzimba is a way of communicating but because isibuza ukuthi why yabethe umlomo
but inkosi yezimbuzo umuzwa munga why bonke benza ama-stance afana ngambe arara uthola umuntu
bonke
ube lapha ulapho umuntu
I think idaka njalo
ukuthi idaka njalo
mbona so
even something to do with the character ngikhumbula bengixoxa lo Popo about this issue Jay kuthi I think 3 different groups zamajida bamba ngama-22 engingabaziyo ngibakhomba from 100 meters away theni Popo abafana bana bomtoriro kubuya abanye thabo bomtoriro angazi into ikhunywa ngiKelvin lese something ecommon vele nje
kunyawo vele nje ukuthi
bayenzani
ingcikule kulokuyi-element ngombana kumtoriro ukuthi lawo umsenzistance sensane sani esomntori because bayizinto eyi-1 why abantu botshwala bengadazari ngendlela
eyi-1 kulama level atshiyeneyo.
Umuntu odake utazari kokwakho uyibhela utazari kokwakhe but konke butshwala phela alcohol
yazi kuloma umuntu wathi abantu ungatsha isemthini yabe le ngqondo zokusetapha yakusucabanga ukuthi wonke umuntu uzama ukutrapper
i-setup
ama protocols
i-protocol i-setup
awusafeel safe on your own like even if you one now uyabusuzicabangela into ezimbi nawe samself. You understand? So it alters the character yakho and it gives you a new character which is common to wonke umuntu uzizwe.
But yakase mina ngumbono wami yase realize ukuthi abantu abehlanya mama enza into zomntori eLondon. Into lengayichaya yamkhipha ebantwini. Angeke nohlala i1 because Jay uthi sidake uhlala i1 apha nabucabangani. Idasho ukube khona umcabango eminingi qinisa ngongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongongngsng imagine for 3 days and on day 4 what is going to happen?
Incabango yonke lana sicrash engqondweni sikhuluma ikubona sekhuluma kwansi kuminto ezi10 ka1
yikho umuntu lwana futhi enjani uyabe lokho ebona ngani they are trailing him ama hallucinations muntu sebona izinto ezingeke why ngoba ingqondo yakho la isidiniwe but umzimba wakho lokhu on but ingqondo isidiniwe
hayi kubalimaza abantu
yabona manje uyinto
so at least siyajabula ukuthi nje in as much as ule pandemic yabomthoriro ibhora khathi seZimbabwe nje it's something to look forward nje abafana bekhasi sebele chance ukuthi lavethola izimali ngiyajabulisa ukuthi vibe ngabe faka izimali izindaba
nje mina abazinhlala ntshela amajita nje mina ibhora lincane bra big time hawo ngangadlala ibhora lami nje singangadlala bambani khona ngangadlala so nje into yenzakala labana ukuthi karezi ibhora la kaThesi ngenxa ukuthi ibhora la kaThesi ela kudala nengilazi but ngesikhathi ngikhula mina up until kaThesi yabona ibhora la from last season up to this season le we have seen change in Zimbabwe ku football sector lapana kuzifa and stuff yabona even ama teams understand because ama teams they now wonke sebefuna ukugijimisa lana ukuthi lathi sibonakala so imali njani isebebukile abantu befihla imali sebekhipha
yabona into le esasikhuluma
so iboys zemelanga zirelax khona at the same time because iboys zingarelaxa zigijimisa into ezingayisizo uzathi serious umngane wakho lapha sebemthe ngokuyirape lapha nguchiva
kahle kahle
la usenjani sisaluca abantu bangakhondi yandlala
ukuthi possibility nengi nje ngithi bayo inesikhuluma elithini ulisupport le island imagine abafana bengadlala play
Mundi. So now it's more of a chance given to umuntu ofuna ukudlala ibhola to umuntu ofuna ukuphila ngebhola because I feel like abafana abaningi khathesi baku illusion yokudlala yabona ukuthi mina I'm a soccer player so this opportunity yakunika a chance ukuthi la ube le mali to invest life after football. I understand. You continue life after football is very hard.
Yeah, another thing about Dallas, we have to support abantwana bethu ezindlini. Understand because there is another situation that is khona ukuthi umntwana esikole phela umntwana ngeke bekwazi eqinisweni. Lesikhathi sakhuluma ukuthi kulaba bezwibi ngibo bethola esikole kwazi but at the end of the day uphume uyenze icine engena result ayiphindikise endlini positive but imali absuspended so sibala lwana yabe le passion lento incele ukufunda barakana mali umuntu sibala lona umuntu yami ngebhora baranjani andla shooters andlana umntwana ngabe ekhala bana training so lapha no coaches tell so let's support them sasa umntwana lona nguye oza kugcina wena sonjani sihlezi phansi singasasebenzi and which at the same time sibakhipha ema drugs. You understand? When we catch them young, bese sebancane kompana sibabambe nxa ukuthi ngabe bhora vele sibanjani moye bhoreni yabona umntwana nxa siya ku training ngahambe ku training uzarealize ukuthi kare siyabona izikolo zivulile Bathu labangena ekuseni abantu labangena ekuseni angena ngo7 esikole echasa ngo12 afike endlini lapha nqabo after 12 to 1 fike tshini kuzimetsi kwakhe tshini training yabe iqasa ngo3 uzathi efike endlini ngabo past 1 2 ngabo quarter past 12 suke seyo training itraining yaphela inqezi isikhathi ezivuma kwesithi seziyangani kuyakhanya ngkhona iphela isikhathi lezi. So do you think umntwana engaba lesikhathi sokuthi edinwe vela ku training efuna ukugeza ebese siyadingana lento ezingayisiza amadazi ngesikhathi egeza kahle kweminyaka phela somele yenze homework akasela isikhathi sokuthi ephume edinga abangani landana.
So let's protect
so at the same time seba protector kuma drugs kunjengo ubona besikhuma ngabo seba protector cause singabayekela ukuthi okay umntana nami uthi ufuna ukwebhora orara ngamvalela ungahambi awuye ebhoreni umvalele igate. Do you know what the moment ethola ichance yokuphuma umntwana uyahamba enze enye into ayadingamela ezakumangalisa la. Understand? At the same time kulabantwana abamankazana talking of girls umuntu wenkazana eqinisweni mina angazi imnqebhilifi yami yabafana abancane but impilivu ukuthi umntwana wenkazana ungumzali umntwana wenkazana nxa ungumzali nabo umngane wakhe. Understand? Ungaba umngane wakhe umntwana wenkazana vele akula ndlela azayiphuma
ngoba yakuthemba
because yakuthemba ukuthi awumasali mina ngahamba ngimthethe masali le boyfriend yami ihlala lapha endlini la sasa umasali ngabona nosisile boyfriend zakukhuza ukuthi wena kade awufaka because uyazomtshela ngalwa but singabavalela abantwana sithonga ukuthi abantwana bayekele bekhomba but kule situation le stage ukuthi umntwana sebasenjani sekuthoma yabo. So ukuthi unitshona ukigedi wayenzani uzathi uhambile emsebenzini nje this days abadala bathanda hamba beyodwa mesina bowling ngaphi uzathi kuphumile nothi
mafia ikangena khona
usathi ngena khona la ithi akangeni
kumbe esikhala segate
uma usise na ngiyophuma igedi yayiqijira uleko samriwo kumbe kwenye ibhawa enathe dakwe ebelusi understand sathi viki yonke even hambe one day yabe sezithweni but unitshona umkhiyeli so mithi semba kuthi ngobabo sendlini because unitshona umkhiyeli be but ungamyekela umntwana enze usukathi okay umntwana manje umithi umfana wanantshela ngayo ngiyomithi sike mana sibona ukuthi kanjani baplana ngiyabona
kahle
umntwana ngoba umngani laye vele lizwanani never go wrong vele umzali la umntwana uzimbone ephuma indlela la
sesijiyene brother
sesijiyene.
If you look at the times isikhathi sesiphila ngaso it's sokuhlangene kakhulu le modernization to the point ukuthi even corporal punishment I see yabo. So for us esafunda ngempama nalaba abakhathesi there is a difference to enkulu ongakuthi a lot of parents are missing that bridge. Uyabona ibridge la there's ways to deal labantwana laba ongazange wamfaka isandla
esikole
in as much as thina sikhule ngesandla
and futhi ukukhula kwangikhona into it was not a problem futhi isikhathi sangkhona because vele indlela esasikhulisa ngakhona but in generation each and every generation ikubona kwaqasa ukugoma amabhoyithu wayenzana amabhoyithu aba advance asabe impahleni njalo kwaqasa izinto zotshana phezulu nje ama-specters kwaqasa ama-chirawoli wawulisese ama-fence njalo abezinje si-upgrade lapha advance. So generation esizikhona kade ezilani si-advanced ikubona sikwazi ukuthi si-advanced even nange-technology ukudlula lapho esibuya khona. Understand? Because i-mode of communication kudala vele yayinzima ngangabhalanga ncwadi ungahamba ngayenza ithatha ama-pay wathatha phone la nayithe bhadalo ufone la kufuthi uyabufona yanzima because account ufone umuntu ongekho la nasefonini
ile mali yakhe encane
umuntu angikhona ngakho efonini so uyathi ring engadophi sokuhle kwaphela yabona. So kare advanced umntwana ethola umntwana at 4 years
nekwanisa ku-operative phone
sele TikTok account akukho bad. The bad thing is the way azayisebenza ngakhona
uzabona. So yikho lami ngisaba because now internet internet is the biggest enemy I feel like in this generation because the internet yo influencer ama-trends whatever is happening in the world uyayithola ku TikTok with just a click yabo. So how do you know my child is protected when there's so much cyber security silahle so these days? How do you know umuntu? You remember there were times where wawusinxa ungena kwama apps wawungela nudit there was a time
shade le phone nje ngiconnecte ku internet ama adverts lana ku shade
Jake
i-situation
kuhle kube
esiyibhekile.
Jake sinekudi Jake isemthini
Yabona.
uyabona so umntana wami la nxa i-download i-shade uzahlatshayisa ngekudi le
exposed
sehle wabona so angazi I feel like to some extent there should be a way to protect these kids from usathane lo
abangamazi.
yabo so bengizibuza ukuthi for someone who's been in the art field for isikhathi what advice would you give umuntu oqalayo like ofuna ukuphusha like
Ya engakutsho Nkosi ukuthi awukho nzima. Yeah, that's what I can say. Awukho nzima because into efunakala phana passion yakho wena if an artist mawufuna ukuthi vele wena ukhule vele ube artist ngaba le passion yakho you achieve igolo ofunayo and uza thola into eziningi ezinyane ezithini akade ungazi expect. Yabo so into engayitsho ukuthi bangani bami banabami sisi bami ubhuti bami bomalume labo auntie khona ngaba abangama artists abafuna ukuba ama artists abasaventure ku art industry inzima ayikho nzima nje so yabo lesikhathi ukuthi yabe kunje lesikhathi ukuthi yabunje but kungaba nxa kuyisive le art industry ishaba but awufuni ukuthi uyilande usithi ukugijimisa imali uqala mawufuna uventure uqala ukuventure in art industry afuna ugijimise imali because ungagijimisa imali uzorealize ayiphuma
ubusuyigijimisa amaganzi yabalenkinga
yabo ubusuyeke
but rent kuyomela ibhadala
emeli ibhadala rent but emeli ibhadala
uma bina umela lungisa inwele
izinto
kuyasemele nje kumswanti ebe 8
yikwe izinto kuyasemele ziconsider at the same time khonapho uyenza njani imesi zawo because mina won't advise you ukuthi unganjani ungayenzi isifiso sakho fukusenza just because of you think of ukuthi imali i-rent and stuff whatsoever understand because at the same time wena ngathi ungakaventure art industry ukusenza kare sufuku venture reso ke lokho adukenza ke kumile kumbe is it your personal business or ukhachiwe ngawakhachiwe keshi but if it's your personal ungayibulala ichinjalo mawenza iqedwe kwe-art uyamba kanjani uyedinga futhi kompa thina sihlalela isikhathi eside kakhulu siku-art thina passion ye-artist besilayo sibili lokho esisalayo sibili ukuthi you know one day we see ourselves abroad sikwenye indawo kwelinye level abantu benganjani
sesikhuluma ezinye
istory yabo
that's true so
pushing hard the way when you ozizithizi yakho isisho ukuthi push to this level push to this level push to this level wedwa nje uzabona ke ukuzenzakaleni aso lucky passion yakho lokwenza into njani the consistency lokwenza into eyiyo efunjani oyihlelile plan yakho because ungafuna ukuthi unufuke
asivuka mpunzana siyahlupha asiyahlupha isivuka mpunzana
ngevela
ucela upheke izicathulo zika left zo
irelax phambili ukuthi karlapha hamba njani
yeah so bafethu it's been a blast I wish ngabe continue sesibulawa light sishoda ngama-light
kumele sikukhuluma but
understand so to anyone who's watching ama-light guys
but balo light
but silo light that's a part yeah so from us the Lokshin podcast the family yakwazi ukuthi kwezakalani like I always say impilo le incane siphila ka1 so make it worth it yabo kill thank you
amakhiwa yini manje
sabambana ma gents
esaya
fresh